What happens when the very person meant to uphold justice publicly attacks the judges of the land? What if the trust we place in our justice system is shaken, not by criminals, but by the leaders sworn to protect it? In a recent controversy, Papua New Guinea's Governor-General Sir Bob Dadae has strongly condemned public comments made by Justice Minister and Attorney General Pila Niningi. The minister had accused national court judges of bias and nepotism, serious claims that sparked national concern. Sir Bob responded through the Post-Courier, calling the allegations deplorable and dangerous, arguing they undermine public trust in the judiciary and could destabilize the very foundation of PNG's democratic rule of law. Let's unpack this moment. The judiciary isn't just a branch of government. It's the final guardian of fairness, equality, and justice. Accusing it of corruption without evidence isn't just irresponsible, it's dangerous. It signals a breakdown in internal respect among our nation's highest offices. What's worse, these statements weren't made in a private review or internal forum. They were aired publicly. Such remarks don't just target individuals. They cast a dark cloud over every judge, every courtroom, and every decision made in the name of justice. Sir Bob Dadae reminded the nation that our judges are not only qualified but have long served with integrity and sacrifice. His words were not just a defense, they were a warning. When the public begins to doubt the neutrality of the bench, we don't just lose confidence in one case, we risk losing confidence in the rule of law itself. And for a legal professional like Minister Niningi to make such generalized accusations, it suggests a failure in judgment, the very trait required most in leadership. But what do you think? Can a justice system function when it's openly disrespected by those in power? Should leaders be allowed to voice internal concerns publicly, or is that recklessness? If judges are biased, how should those concerns be raised without harming national trust? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's open the floor to respectful, constructive dialogue. This moment is more than a political spat. It reveals something deeper, a tension in how we govern ourselves and how we choose to resolve internal flaws. Yes, no system is perfect. But when we begin attacking institutions publicly without proof, we start chipping away at the very tools that uphold our nation's order. Leaders must model responsibility, not recklessness. When leaders speak, they don't just echo their own thoughts. They shape public trust. And trust once broken takes years to rebuild. Sir Bob Dadae's statement wasn't just a defense of judges. It was a call for dignity, for caution, and for truth. Papua New Guineans, let this be a reminder. We may not wear robes or sit on the bench, but we each play a role in upholding truth. Whether we lead from Parliament or from the street, our words matter, our tone matters, our respect. For truth matters, justice is fragile, so is peace, and so is the reputation of a nation. Let's be the generation that doesn't tear down institutions, but strengthens them, not with blind loyalty, but with informed, intentional action. Criticize with evidence, speak with purpose, build with truth, because when trust breaks down at the top, it's the people at the bottom who suffer most. Thank you for joining us today. At Kepcha Motivation, we believe in transforming everyday moments into purposeful narratives to elevate your perspective. If you found value in this video, please like and share with others. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more transformative content.